Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show you how you can promote your CPA offer via Tumblr. Tumblr is a social media like Facebook and Twitter. If I go on similar web, you can see the US rank is 85 and the global rank is 134 and monthly visit 229.90 million. So you can think that how popular is with the website is. At first, you have to create an account on tumblr.com. I will give the link on the description box, and then you have to create an account. It is very easy, so I am not showing this. Click on the account section, then go on edit appearance. Now click on edit appearance option. Now go on the section iPhone image, iPhone 30 image. Now go on the image section. Now download an image you want. I already have downloaded the image, so you have to click on the pencil icon, then click on choose a photo. Now I have to choose the image. You can see I have chosen the image, but the image is not looking good, so I will choose another image. Okay, this okay, and the cover image and this image is same. And if you want to change the cover image, click on this option and choose the image. This is not looking good, but you have to customize at your own, and then give a description at here, free iPhone 30. Click on here and cut it and give 30, and that's okay, and then click on save. And this is the simple work. Our 25% work is done, and then click on home option. Now we have some ways to promote our CPA offers. 1 2, this is the way, the two-way link and video, and we can promote the CPA offer mainly with those two options. So now I will copy the CPA offer link, Control C, then come back to heylink.com .me. Okay, what heylink means, this is the alternative website of Linktree. Now Linktree don't have many facilities like this website. They block CPA offers sometimes, so you have to use this website. I have already made a video about it. You can get the video at this card option. Then log into your account, and I have already made a thumbnail about gift card, but I will promote a free iPhone image, so I don't want to waste your time, so I have generated the Cartly link and copied the CPA offer link from here and paste it at here. Copy the link and I have pasted it. I already make a video about healing. Please watch that until you will not able to manage anything about Tumblr. So now click on link. Now copy this website link. You can see the preview of this website. Okay, this looks amazing, and you can also customize at your own. You have to watch that video. Now copy this link, Control C, and paste it at here. Okay, now short this link and copy the shortened link. Okay, the URL has been shortened. Come back to here and paste the link. Don't use the direct CP link at here. Now click on insert. Now you have to add some text at here. You can see there is some related tags they are showing. You don't have to use hash because they already will attract hash, so we have to use more tags like this. For this you have to go on Tumblr keyword research. Okay, so for the video is going long, so I will not show you the SEO research of Tumblr. Okay, or you can use another types if you don't able to use this type of website. Then come back to here again, and if you want to add another thing, you can see the link has been added, and now post it. Okay, you have to post 3 posts per day, and you have to, there is another option for video. So what I will do now, we have to go on pixels.com for the free image, for the free video. Okay, now visit the website free stock videos. Now search for iPhone 30 and search for the video. You can see there is the video. Now choice, I have to choose this video. If you want to download this video, you can download, but there is a simple option for it. You have to copy the video link, copy video address, then come back to Tumblr again and click on add video from web, then insert the link. That's okay. Now they will add the video at here, and you have to add text. You can also use another things at here, right? Get a chance. Okay, now we have to use the Cartly shorten link at here. Okay, we have inserted it and add some keyword iPhone 30, iPhone, and other tags we have to find, then post now. Okay, that's okay. Now we have to go on the trading option. You can see now on Tumblr this offers things are mainly promoting very well, and I have already showed you how you can promote CPA offers with trending topics. Even the topics are not same. If the trending topics is Minecraft, how you can promote iPhone offers with Minecraft trends. I have already showed that in my video. If I go on youtube.com, and if I visit my channel, then there is a option how to promote trending offers for CP marketing, and you can also add this type of things at on the text, on the tag option. You can use this tags. Okay, I hope you have understand the video. If you want have any problem to understanding the video, yeah, you can comment me, and I will give every answer on comment. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. If you got any problem for understanding the video, please give me a comment on this video.